All right, I'm gonna try to get you on some video here. All right, this is my clutch pedal. I got it hooked up and I got tension, I can feel it. That's the adjuster, the thing that I had fixed, you know what I mean? It had the thing that had came out. So I'm gonna stick this camera up in here. You can see the spring down there on the bottom down there, right there. That's the adjuster that I did the repair. See, I got the thing going through the center. I'm going to show you the spring is hooked up. I'll show you. See, that thing don't move down there. All it does is pivot. And the clutch is going in and out. I mean the throwout bearing. Before, that thing wouldn't even move. It would get stuck and hung up. The throwout bearing in the middle, it was all out around and everything. That's fully depressed, so that should hit the fingers on the pressure plate and release. And that's all the way back relaxed. So this is actually doing its job for now. But I do have a concern down there. As long as it don't do anything other than what it is right now and it stays still and doesn't move with the lock washer on there, I think that'll work. Because it, you know, I could keep tightening that thing and snap it right in two. But there's a time when you gotta say stop. And right now is where I see it torqued on it right there. But that should not go anywhere. Because like I said, all it's doing is sitting still. There's no pressure on it. It's just holding that thing right there and it's letting it pivot right on top of it. So I'm not gonna worry about it too much right now because it's not, like I said, it doesn't have any force on it. The only force is up here on this rod up top right here. Because it's pushing and pulling back on it. It actually pushes and the spring pulls it back. So I'm gonna put this clutch disc and pressure plate back on and go forth with it, putting this thing back together. And I'm gonna go from there and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, man. And like and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Take it easy.